Okay, let's get into it. So as engineers, we're always on the lookout for those architectures that just click, the ones that solve a really hard problem in a super elegant way. Well, I was digging around on GitHub and stumbled onto this open source project, ArcReel. And it is so much more than just another API wrapper. It's a genuinely fresh take on how we should be orchestrating complex AI jobs.
And this is what made me stop and take a closer look. The repo's already pulled in over 1.6K stars. I mean, for a project in the AI video space, which is notoriously tough, that is a really strong signal. This isn't just some weekend hype. It tells me that a lot of other developers are seeing the same thing I am. So what's the core engineering problem here that's getting this kind of attention?
Well, it really all comes down to one massive shared headache. We've all been there, right? You're playing with the latest text-to-video models and you get these incredible-looking shots that are perfect for a demo, but the second you try to build an actual story, anything longer than a few seconds, you slam right into the exact same wall. And that wall is consistency.
Yeah, this is the character consistency problem. And honestly, this is what separates the cool toys from the actual production tools. You spend all this time defining a character right down to the details, and then from one shot to the next, the model just forgets. The red jacket turns blue, that important scar over their eye just disappears, your whole narrative continuity is completely broken. For any real-world use case, this is an absolute deal-breaker.
So ArcReel's solution isn't to just throw a bigger, more complicated model at the problem. No, it's a much smarter system design. Multi-agent orchestration. The best way to think about it is less like one single genius trying to juggle everything at once, and more like a well-run engineering team. You've got a main coordinating agent. Think of it as your tech lead that delegates very specific, tightly scoped tasks to a whole team of specialist subagents.
And here's how that actually plays out. The main agent gets the big picture goal. Let's say, turn this chapter of a novel into a video. But it doesn't try to do everything itself. Instead, it farms out the work. One subagent gets the job of only defining the character's look and making sure it stays stable. Another one focuses only on the scene descriptions. A third just structures the script. Each one solves for consistency inside its own little world and then reports back a clean, concise summary. This whole divide and conquer approach is just brilliant because it directly attacks the context window bloat and the state management nightmares that we all run into with these huge, complex prompts.
Okay, so the architecture is smart, we get it. But as engineers, we have to live by the results, right? What are the actual tangible benefits of this design? Why should we even care about this approach when we could just, hit a single giant API endpoint and hope for the best?
This is the payoff. First and foremost, it actually solves for character consistency. But when you look closer, you see it automates the entire pipeline, from text all the way to a finished video. And what's really crucial is that it's multi-vendor by design. You're not locked in. You can plug in Google's powerful new Veo 3.1, or models from OpenAI, or whoever else. And you see these little details, like the CapCut draft export and the multi-vendor API cost tracking, that tells you this was built for real-world production, not just for making cool demos.
All right, but let's be real and talk about the trade-offs, because every system has them. First, the core logic for the agents relies pretty heavily on the Anthropic API, so you're making an infrastructure bet right there. Second, because it's designed to call the best-in-class API for each job, text, images, video, you have to be really disciplined about your cost stack. The built-in cost estimator is a must-have for sure, but this is not going to be a cheap system to run at scale.
And that really brings us to the big question, doesn't it? The true importance of ArcReel might not even be about video. It could be a blueprint. Think about any complex, multi-step AI task that struggles with context drift and inconsistency. We're talking code generation, research analysis, complex planning. Is this specialist multi-agent architecture the correct pattern? Is this how we're going to build the next generation of reliable, production-grade AI systems? Now that is something we're thinking about.